Hi everyone, I'm Logan McCoy. So today we're going to go over the Miner's Vegan Alfredo. We're going to make a very creamy pasta dish with the mindful chicken. We're going to sear up some of the chicken, let that get nice and toasted brown. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to start adding in some onions and garlic, letting that kind of saute a little bit. And then we'll add some white wine, let that reduce out. And then we're going to add in the vegan Alfredo. So in the pan, I'm just going to add a little bit of oil. And then we're going to sear off the mindful chicken pieces. I really encourage high temperature oil with the chicken just to give it a little bit of color, and it's going to give that caramelization as well for flavor. So we'll just let those cook up. And then I have just you could do any pasta, but I chose a Fregula, which is just toasted. It's almost like couscous, but it's toasted. It's real traditional Italian. So we're gonna use that in this dish. So these are getting nice and golden brown. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add in the onions. I just minced up some onions. And then we're really just gonna start building that flavor, allowing the aromatics to kind of come out of those onions, still allowing the chicken to cook a little bit. And we're going to go ahead and add in the garlic. Just minced up 2 cloves. And we'll build that up. All right, so those are just about soft. I'm gonna go ahead and add in the wine. Now we're gonna add in the wine just to bring in just a little bit of acid to the dish. I think, you know, every dish could use a little bit of acid. So we'll let that reduce all the way out. And then we're gonna just go ahead and start building in the sauce. Throw in our spinach. Now I just did a chiffonade on the spinach, and then we'll just let that wilt just a second. And then in with the sauce. So again, with the sauce, I like that it's easy to use. It's already ready to go. Just pour it in. We'll just mix that around. And then we're just gonna kind of finish it by adding in the rest. So in goes the pasta. Some olives. Some of our plant-based cheese. And then some roasted red bell peppers. We'll just let that heat up. So there we have it. So it's nice, it's creamy. It's got some good color, good flavor. And it coats the pasta and holds to the pasta really well. So there we have it.